Hello, my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing. You are safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your bonus love messages for February 2021, and please check your sunshine and moonshine and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition, and leave the rest, because this is the general bonus messages, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. Let's start your bonus love messages for February 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. And while shuffling, I was getting the message, don't let your past hold you back. Okay, so don't let your past hold you back, Aquarius. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Okay. Okay. I'm not going to take it. Any other message? Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm having work through your fears. So you have to work on your fears, Aquarius. Okay, let's start. Okay, hold your visions. This is a time to breathe out. Okay, so hold your visions, be bold to make the first move. You have to make the first move, Aquarius. You need to be bold and make the first move. Hold your visions, and this is a time to breathe out. Okay, spend some time into nature here. Okay, that's the message which I am getting for you. You are very close, or you are very close to achieving your goal. So you are very close to achieving your goal. Okay, you are good enough here. Full moon in Virgo. Okay, so you are very good enough. You're good enough. If you think that you don't deserve anything, that's wrong. You are good enough. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. Okay, full moon in Capricorn, a new start is coming. Very powerful message. The end of a tough cycle is coming. You are closing out a cycle, and a new beginning, a new cycle is going to start. A new start is going to happen. Okay, a new start is coming here. Very powerful, beautiful message. Then there is your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. Okay, so your dreams need a practical plan, Aquarius. Balance spirituality and practicality. Full moon in Pisces. You need to balance your spirituality and practicality. Prosperity lies ahead. New moon in Taurus. Prosperity is there, which is coming for you. The answers which you are requiring are coming. The answers you need are coming for you. Full moon in Gemini. Okay, so the answers you need are coming for you, Aquarius. It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. Okay, the time has come to release any kind of negativity if you are holding on to. There is a win-win outcome is forecast, and luck is on your side. full moon in Libra and new moon in Sagittarius. So the luck is on your side and a win-win outcome is forecast for you. So these are the messages from the Moonology deck, and the signs which you may be dealing with are Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Gemini, Taurus and Libra. Okay, so these can be the signs which you may be dealing with: Libra, Taurus, Pisces, Capricorn, Gemini, Scorpio, Virgo, Taurus and Sagittarius. Okay, so these can be the signs. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Animal Spirit Oracle deck. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Let me see. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Any other message? Any other message? No. Okay, Starfish Spirit, open to infinite possibility. Bottom of the deck I was having this. Cat Spirit is here. Claim your independence, Aquarius. Claim your independence. That's the message which is here. Then there is Flamingo Spirit, embrace the in-between, because the rebirth is taking place, new start is coming here. So right now you are in between of transformation and the old things. Okay, you're shedding old things, you're completing old things, and you're coming in new cycles, new beginnings. So you have to embrace the in worlds. Okay, there is a bad spirit, a rebirth is assured. See, again, a rebirth is assured. That is a message. Okay, so transformation, death and rebirth is taking place here. Then there is Crab Beetle Spirit, magic works through you, Aquarius. Magic works through you. So that are the messages. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Communication is coming towards you. Okay, and someone is manifesting that. Okay, someone is manifesting that communication. You can have a look in your main reading too, and that was the same message which I am getting here too. Okay, what are the messages? No. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Wow. What are the messages? Any other message? No. See, a new start is coming, a rebirth is assured, a new beginnings. New beginnings, rebirth is assured, a new start is coming. From 3 decks, I'm getting a new beginnings for you, Aquarius. New beginnings are coming for you. A new start is coming from you. From the Moonology deck also, I was having that. And from the Bad Spirit also, a rebirth is assured. And in this Numerology deck also, there is a new beginning which is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, spend some time in nature. Okay, nature will help you out in your personal growth. Okay, in your personal growth, and it will help you out in healing also. Maybe there is a message, okay, while you go and spend some time in nature. So spend some time in nature. There is personal growth which is coming for you. Abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, abundance is coming for you. Make effort for self love. Okay, effort is here. You have to make more effort towards self love. Self love is very much required for you here. And there is moderation. Maybe you are eating right now, try to eat as much as you can healthy. Okay, eat healthy, that's the message, according to your lifestyle, according to your situation, but try to eat healthy, because maybe you are eating something which is not good for your health. So moderation is the card, is the message which I'm getting for you. And the number which can be important for you is 1 and 7. So these two can be an important number for you, number 1 and the 7. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Spellcasting Oracle deck. Blessings are coming for you. Some kind of closure you are getting. Okay, let's see. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Okay. Any other message? You need to set up healthy boundaries around yourself, Aquarius. Set up healthy boundaries around yourself. The healing is coming for you and you can do your healing. Healing is required. And there is home and healing. So maybe you have to clean out your home, and home is coming. Healing is coming for you. And other meaning of this card is the prosperity is coming for you in your home life too. Here you are finding yourself. You are finding yourself. You are finding your freedom. Beautiful message. You're finding your highest self and you're finding the freedom and the happiness here. Can you see? Happiness. So happiness, freedom, everything you are finding here for you. Let's see any other message for Aquarius. Any other message which I need to deliver. No, I'm not going to take it too many. Okay. You have to keep your strength with you. Okay, keep your strength with you, Aquarius. There are friendships which are coming for you. There are new friendships which are coming for you. And you have to work on your life purpose here. Life purpose is here. So you have to work on your life purpose. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Let's see what are the messages from Quantum Oracle deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Give me the message which I need to give to my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. Wow. What are the messages? Wow. What are the messages? Any other message? Any other message? You are getting towards your higher self, that is for sure. Okay, and you are having great gratitude and feel great gratitude for that. Okay, because let me see, is there any other message for Aquarius? Wow. Wow. Why I'm saying wow? Okay, let me tell you why. Fourth deck in which I'm getting new beginnings for you. Okay, new beginnings for you. 1 minute. Okay, Here I'm having new beginnings. I told you that new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, so yes, new beginnings are coming for you. Here in this deck too, I'm having new beginnings. Beautiful. You need to let go, Aquarius. Let go. Letting go is here. Okay, let go anything which don't serve your highest good here. Okay, there is fragmented energy you have to, and there is decrease. So that's good because there is a decrease in your fragmented energies. You have to collect your energies and focus on one thing, because if your energy is fragmented on every place, how can you do concentration and how will you work? Okay, so you have to, why this light is not okay. There is intuition and manifestation, and there is true love. So you are having a true manifestation and intuition of having a true love, and that is coming for you. Why I am saying that? Because someone is taking steps to give you a commitment here. Someone is taking steps to give you commitment here. Okay, someone is coming towards you to give you a commitment. Okay, you are converting towards your highest self. You are becoming the ascended masters, the highest selves, and have an attitude of gratitude. Feel great gratitude for becoming the higher self, for getting help from the ascended masters here, because you're becoming a best version of yourself. Some of you are having, see, increase in the present power. You are having right now an increase in the present power. You are very powerful. You're becoming very powerful day by day. Okay, you're becoming a best version of yourself, and there is an increase in that power here. Okay, someone is having an hidden motivations, so be aware of this energy here. Okay, hidden motivations is here. Then there is planning and action and travel. Some of you are going to travel somewhere. Someone is planning an action, doing action. So maybe you are taking plan, you are doing planning and taking action towards this travel, or someone else is planning and doing, planning to take an action towards this traveling. And if you're not traveling somewhere, this is a new journey which is you are going to start in your life. There is status quo and there is vast universe here, Aquarius. So whatever you are doing, keep doing it. Do not stop it, because maybe right now you can't see it, but the things are moving in a forward direction and you are having vast universe with you. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let's see some, wow, messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. Divine timing. You read right now, you need to keep your patience, Aquarius. There is a divine timing which is coming for you. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? What are the messages? Have faith, Aquarius, because harmony is coming for you. You are becoming more wise than before. See the picture from a different perspective, and there is a guardian angel who is supporting you, who is with you. Any other message which I need to deliver? See, bottom of the deck, I'm having intuitions. Use your intuitions, because you are right now very intuitive. Okay, use your intuitions. Again, the gratitude card has come here. Feel gratitude, pay gratitude to the divine, to the universe, about whatever you are having right now in your life. Say always thank you to the divine for giving the beautiful things. You are having the blessings of ancestors, and there is a guardian angel with you, who is protecting you, who is guiding you, and you are having the guardian angel and as well as the blessings of your ancestors with you, Aquarius, and this is beautiful. Okay, This is beautiful because you are having the blessings here that of your ancestors, and you are not alone. You are having the protection, the guardian of a guardian angel who is with you to help you out in your journey. You are becoming more wise day by day. Wisdom is here. Then there is have faith, and because harmony is coming for you, have faith, keep going in a forward direction. There is perception. See the picture from a different perception here. Okay, so that's the message which I'm getting from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from self-care card. Let's add one or two cards. What are the messages which I need to deliver to Aquarius? What are the messages? Okay. Let's see one more. Bottom of the deck, I'm having trust. Trust your decision. March to the beat of your own heart. Okay. So risk and support. These are the two messages which I'm getting for you. Take a risk. You have the power within to move mountains, Aquarius. Then there is support. Offer your support to someone. Experience the joy of serving others. So risk and support are the two messages which I am getting for you from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world? Help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver. Learn from your mistakes, Aquarius. Okay. What are the messages? Some of you are having a same message of have an attitude of gratitude. Always pay gratitude, Aquarius. Always have thank you, because you are having beautiful things in your life. Okay. So always say thank you to the universe, to the guides. Okay. Learn from your mistakes and take responsibilities for your action. So you need to take responsibilities for your action and learn from the mistakes. Here, that is the message. Have an attitude of gratitude. Okay. Have an attitude of gratitude. Feel joy in all you do, and patience is a virtue. Okay. Patience is a virtue, Aquarius. Feel joy in all you do. Whatever you do, feel joy in that. Inspires other. Okay. You need to inspire others too. Okay. Try to inspire others too. Know your truth and choose love over fear. You need to choose love over fear and know your truth. Okay. That love is your energy. Okay. So choose love over fear. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much, guides, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some messages from the universe. Okay. Let's see what are the messages. I can't sit today because okay, now I'm fine. I'm sorry for that, but as I told you that I just broke my leg. Not broke, but my ligaments break actually. So yeah, let's see what are the messages from the universe. What are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver? Any other message? Too many messages are there for you from the universe too. Okay, do something new, something different, Aquarius. Okay, you need to do something new and something different. Your treasure is at your hand. Okay, your treasure is at your hand. Forgive, which is very important message. Forgive yourself and forgive everyone who hurt you in the past. Okay, forgive is a message. You will be surprised. You will be surprised. So something is coming here that will make you very surprised. Love is the reason. Okay, love is the reason. See, again the same message. Choose love over fear. Keep it simple and you know what to do. So you know what to do and keep it simple. That's the message which I'm getting for you. Keep it simple and you know what to do. What would love do? What would love do? Dwell on what you love. Okay, do what you love, Aquarius. It's not as if you need anyone. It's not as if you need anyone. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from angels and ancestors. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Okay. Wow. Excuse. For bottom of the deck, I'm having sun. Beautiful. Enjoy happiness and success. New happy beginning. Okay. And there is star and sister. Follow the voice of your soul. You need to follow your voice of your soul, Aquarius. So there is earth mother. Feel love and connected. Okay, spend some time with the earth mother, earth nature, and feel connected and loved. So that's the message I'm getting here. There is shield maiden. Make plans and focus. So you need to make plans and focus on that. There is wise one. Grow within your current situation here. Okay, grow within your current situation. There is magic guardian. Unlock the magic within yourself, Aquarius. So these are the messages from the angels and ancestors. Thank you so much. Let's add some message from the crazy sexy love notes, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Let's see what are the messages. This is very beautiful message, beautiful deck. Okay, and let's see what are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver. Okay, one more. Okay, I got 3 for you. Oh wow. 4. Risk it. First card for it is risk it. Great things are born from those brave enough to fly. Those who willing to risk failure. Your dreams require action and you're ready to make a move. Remember, you have nothing to lose. Even if you flop, you will receive valuable insight. You will receive valuable insight. So get off your butt and take a leap of faith and move in your forward direction. See, make plans and focus here. And from this also, Monology deck, your dreams need a practical plan, Aquarius. There was a message that your dreams need a practical plan here. Okay, your dreams need a practical plan. So risk it. So that's the message here. Compassion for all. Compassion is a beating heart of all spiritual practices. The peace you seek comes from the peace you create. Extend your compassion to all being together, including yourself. Everyone benefits when you are kind. May all beings be happy and free. So having compassion here. Something bigger is on your way. Allow your vision to expand and be open to form its stakes. You may discover that you were dreaming too small, or what seemed like an obstacle is actually pointing you in a better direction. The universe has always your back. So something very beautiful is on your way. There is listen to your body. Okay, no matter how bad we feel, our bodies are always working on our behalf to create health and vitality. Meet your body halfway by acting on the messages it sends you. Whether it's a whisper or a roar, don't ignore what you hear. Listen to your body, it wants the best for you. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much, Crazy Sexy Love Notes, for giving the beautiful messages. I love it. So this was your bonus love reading. Bonus love messages. Okay, this was your bonus love messages for Feb 2021. Sending you lots of love, light, and happiness to all my Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you, Aquarius. Take care of yourself and see you soon.